I'd like to talk today quickly about the Wilson Tool Express Clamp for European style tools. So what we came up with here is a clamp that greatly improves the speed of loading tools compared to the traditional method of using the 8mm Allen wrench to tighten and loosen the tools. So the way the clamp works is it lets you vertically load the tools so you no longer have to slide them in from the end, and then one quick throw of the lever tightens up the cam and it clamps and seats the tools as well. So they're ready to go then at that point. The tools are centered and clamped. Now to unload the tools, it's also very quick. You release the lever and a tool can be released vertically instead of having to slide out the end. If you need to load the tool backwards, you can turn it around and load it backwards, and again, just the one lever to clamp and center and seat the tools. Now, if you did load the tool backwards, maybe the clamp plate is in the way as well, not just the tool. So that's also quite easy to change. We take the clamp plate off and we reseat the tools and we're still ready to go. Another change we made with the Express clamp is the way the wedge is made. Now the clamps can be slid right up against each other. With traditional style clamps for European style tooling, the wedge gets in the way and you can't put the clamps right next to each other. With the Express clamp, we have kind of a puzzle piece shape on that wedge so they can go right next to each other now. That's helpful, just gives you more flexibility for how you can configure your tools. So these are some of the real quick basics of what the Express clamp is for and the advantages that it gives you, and that was just a quick demonstration of it.